What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to cover what do you do if you have dozens of YouTube videos with, let's just say, less than good looking thumbnails that can be contributing to not getting you a lot of views, and you suddenly discover that you can create beautiful thumbnails using AI, and then you're wondering which videos should I prioritize creating the thumbnails for? What do you do in that situation? The answer to that is it's very simple. What you want to do is you actually want to start by updating the thumbnails for your top 10 or 20 videos depending on how many you have in total. Start with the top 10 and then work your way down. What ends up happening in this situation is that you prioritize the top performing videos that could be performing better if their thumbnail was better, and then working your way down the ladder, if you will. So how exactly do you do that? Well, it's actually very simple. In the back end of your YouTube channel, which is the channel dashboard, you're going to want to go to where it says analytics, and then you're going to want to scroll down to where it says your top content in this period, which in this case is 28 days. And I do recommend that you keep it set to that. And then what you're going to want to do is just literally take a look at these 10 videos, which, well, in my case, I'm looking at my top 10 performing videos. And let's just assume that these videos did not have the best looking thumbnails on them. Well, guess what? Now I know my top 10 performing videos, which could be performing potentially better if I updated the thumbnail on it. These are the ones that I'm going to prioritize. And in my particular case, I probably would say, dozens of YouTube videos where it's like, wow, this is so overwhelming. How am I going to find the time to make thumbnail switches to all of them? Start with your top performing ones. It could be maybe not even the top 10. Maybe it could be the top 5 over here that you can begin with. But that's where you would start, and then you'd work your way down the ladder. And that way, you're basically getting off on the best possible footing with this. So it's a very simple fix, and I hope that it makes sense. If you have any questions about this, let me know. It's basically kind of like updating content on your blog, but in this case, you're doing it on your YouTube channel. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. But as usual, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.